guys, I'm Krina and welcome to Get Healthy with Hauterfly along with Nestle A+. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make delicious fluffy pancakes using Nestle A+ Nourish Milk. So first we're going to start off by putting all our dry ingredients together. So first measure out 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now take 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Now that we've put all the dry ingredients together, mix it all up properly. So now it's time to get the wet ingredients together, which consists of 1 egg. So now take a fork and beat the egg. Now take half a cup of milk and add it to the egg. Now pour this mixture to the dry ingredients. Mix the dry and wet ingredients together in order to make the batter. So this is the consistency that you're looking for. Add a cube of butter to this. Now take 2/3 of a cup of the batter and pour it on the pan. Create a nice fluffy layer of the batter on the pan. So once it's lightly brown on the bottom side, flip it. So now that the pancake is done, you can plate it. So here comes the fun part. Now stack all the pancakes together. And between each layer, I personally like to use the Nestle Greco yogurt. So I'm going to put a thin layer of that. So after adding the yogurt, add some fresh fruits to top it all off. So I've created this mixture of powdered sugar and some cinnamon powders. I'm just going to add a little bit of that to add some flavor. And that's it. That's how you make a delicious pancake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and stay tuned for more videos just like this on Hauterfly. Until next time, bye!